Hey guys, today I want to share a quick tip for AYN Thor owners. Most Android games and apps don't use the second screen except for 3DS and DS emulators. That is normally not an issue because we can simply use a different app, watch a video, or listen to music. But what if I told you that there is a little hack that allows you to use the second screen to visualize your map or any part of your main screen on the second screen? Just open the Android settings, scroll down to Accessibility, select Magnification, enable the magnification shortcut, select magnification type, and make sure that magnify part of the screen is selected. Now close everything and use this little icon to magnify the part of the main screen that you want to see on the second screen. I normally use it to see my map. Cool, right? This is a nice little trick that we can use while more apps make use of the second screen on dual handhelds. Subscribe.